Start the recording, Nasir. Are you all able to see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So, any doubts? Okay. So far, when we have seen in the join, so we can, so if I have something like this, A file and B file, so how many outputs, how many ones I will get, Nasir? If I do the join?
9.
9 ones, right? So, what are the prerequisites for the join? What are those things which we need to take care for the join? First point.
From the the
So from the two output links, whichever link you connect first,
is the left joint.
yeah, whichever link you connect first, it will be the left. Okay, it will become the left. So it will be the left. So it will be the left means, so that will be considered as, that link will be considered as the left table. Okay. Now the second one, so in case of the funnel, Naseem,
Yes, sir.
in case of the funnel, what are the prerequisites?
Um,
What is the equivalent of the funnel of SQL?
don't remember, sir.
Hmm?
Don't remember, sir.
Union.
Union all. It's not
No, no, no.
union all. Okay? So
Yes.
the funnel equivalent is union all. So what are the prerequisites for this? Number of columns
Should match.
and data type
Should be
should be same.
metadata.
This is called metadata. The order also. Okay? Order. The second point is the column name should be same. Right?
Yes.
Here it's not about only one column. All column names should be same. Right? But when it comes to the join, here only the joining condition needs to be the same. Only the joining condition should be same. When I said should be same, name and data type. Only the joining condition should be same. Now the third one, so for funnel and join, minimum links, how many minimum links should be there?
Funnel is at least 2 links.
And join? For join?
2 links.
2 links, at least 2 links, right? Obviously. Join means you need to join with another link. So 2 links, at least 2 links we need to have. Now, we have to do hash partitioning here also on both the links, on all the links whichever you have connected. On all the links connected to join. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, this is what we need to do. So, if the name is not same, if one of the link is having A, in another link it is having B, and you want to make the name B to A, then you can use copy stage and you can change the name and you can route it to the join. Now tell me, is join and funnel are same? Can I replace funnel with join and funnel join with funnel
No.
in any scenarios? If answer is no, why?
In join, we can use the copy.
What?
In join, we can use the copy to filter.
Copy to filter. What do you
Like
mean by that statement?
to rename the column, we use the copy.
But that we can use it in the funnel also, right? If the column names are not same, we can use the copy to rename the columns. No, that is not the see, whenever I am saying funnel and join are same, so you need to think about the functionality of the funnel and the functionality of the join are the same or not. What are you doing before and after? That is not the matter.
Okay.
I cannot give you the detailed answer, but my understanding is.
One second. Go one by one. Manjula, what are you saying?
In funnel we have a reject link, but in join we don't have a reject link.
No, in funnel also we don't have the reject link.
We'll be having one reject link.
No, we don't have the reject link in the funnel. And even in the join also we don't have the reject link.
In joins we don't have.
In the funnel also we don't have.
Coming to funnel, here only one single input link it will going to accept, but in join there are n number of input links.
Hang on. In funnel only single input link will accept.
Yeah.
Try to understand when I am saying union all. If there is a single link, then what you are going to do union? Right? If there is a single link, then what is the purpose of union? I mean, try to think before you answer. Try to think what are you saying. I mean, just not for the sake you just answer it. Yeah. Tell me. So I am clearing it out. Tell me. Yeah. Any other things?
The output result will be the different if we use a join funnel, because if we use
what would be the output?
The output would, like, table. If we.
Who is this?
I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, go ahead, Nasim. Go ahead.
That's what Manjula was talking about. That's what I was saying. Like, I cannot give you the whole detailed answer, but my understanding was like the outcome result will be different.
No, I agree. The output would be the different. That is the reason it is. We cannot use. Okay, now tell me the scenario. How the output is different. Now, if I have a table, if I have a file 1 which is having the data 1, 2, and if I have a file 2 which is having the data 3 and 4, now how would I join? Can I join these two?
Yes.
Now, can I join these two?
Yes.
Okay. On what column you will join?
A1.
A1
and B1.
A1 and B1. Okay. So what result it will come?
The result will be 1, 3, and
Nasir, I mean, please. When you are joining on A1 and B1, what result it will come? Look at the data. What that data we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. What data it will come? Can we join first of all? Nasim, can I do the join on A1 and B1?
My answer would be yes, but if you ask me the detail, I'm probably not going to be able to answer that.
But how are you saying yes? I mean, that is not the right answer, right? If you are saying yes, then you might have think something and you are saying yes. Not for the reason that your friend Nasir is saying yes, you are saying yes, right?
No. I'm not saying it because obviously
Right.
join.
So there should be some reason. Tell me that reason.
We're joining two tables that.
Joining two tables is fine. Can we join on the field A1 and B1? Can we perform the join on these two columns? That is the question. Sir, if I perform join on A1 and B1, will I get any data?
It will be all false.
Sorry?
Means you'll not get any data.
Right. Then why are you saying 1, 3, 4, all the stuff? Huh?
Yeah, that's right.
Right? So we will not get any data because there is no matching. Because there is no matching, so we will not get any data. So, what can we do to do the match? What can be done to make it match? Come on, just think a little bit. What can be done to do a match?
With the name of alias?
Even with the name of alias, you make it as a, so madam, try to understand. If you make it as a A2, and here is the B1, if you make it as a A2, you will join on A2 and A2, but will the data comes? That's what my question is. You can do the join. You can do the column join on the columns. So can we join? Yes, we can join. But will the data come as an output or not? That is the question. No, right? The data will not come, right? Oh my God. Is that clear, Nasir? The data will not come. Yes or no? Sir, please answer.
The result will not come because all the fields are different.
All the values are different. Don't confuse with the fields, values, and records.
Yeah, all the values are different.
Because when you say the statement like that, complete statement will be wrong. So all the values are different. So you will not get any data. Okay? Manjula, are you clear?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah, there is 1, 2, 3, 4. How would you join? If you join also, how the data will match? 1 will not match with any of this. 2 will not match with any of this. Then why the data will come? And from where the data will come? Data will not come using join. But if I use funnel, what would be the output? Naseem,
Yes, sir.
what would be the output on the funnel? I renamed the columns. So see here, I renamed it to A2 and here also I renamed it to A2. Now the column names are same. So the data type is also the same. Then what would be the output of the funnel? Anyone?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Absolutely. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the funnel you are getting the output, but in the join are you getting the output?
No.
The data is different, right?
Yes.
And the second thing, funnel, A1 is there, another column, name is there. B1 is there, another column, salary is there. Now can I do funnel? There are two columns. One is A1, name, B1, salary. Can I do funnel? Manjula.
Yes, we can do name of
We can
the
do funnel.
salary.
What we need to do?
We'll go with name as well as salary.
We
Sorry?
cannot do funnel.
We can do funnel or we cannot do funnel? We
We cannot do funnel
Why, sir?
because the metadata is not the same.
Absolutely, sir. I'm very happy. The metadata is not the same. So, Manjula, don't ever think that, just changing the names, the funnel will work. The data types also has to be the same. Name is having a data type of varchar. salary is having a different data type, and the data is different in the salary. So you cannot do the funnel. But can we do join, sir? I mean, if I get the data, suppose for example, if I have like this 1, 2 and 1, 2, can I do join?
Yes.
Yes, you can do join, and you can also get the output as A1, sorry, A2, name and salary. You can bring it like this. Because what is the main purpose of the join? The join main purpose is to join the two tables to get the fields from the other tables, right? So that's the reason we have got the field salary from the other table. So this is the target. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Nasim, is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come to the question. I have 3 and 4 only. Okay. Now how to join and how to get the data? So far we have discussed the funnel and join cannot be the same because of the data's output, and we have seen how the data is getting changed, all those stuff. And there is one scenario where the funnel and join can be the same. Only in one scenario, I will explain that, where funnel and join can be same. Okay, so that I will explain you. Now first of all, now tell me, we have discussed the stages, and you think about those stages and answer this question. I have A1 as values 1, 2. I have B1 as values 3, 4. But as you said, for join, we need to do the name of, column name. So I keep the A1 as it is and change the B1 to A1. So using copy stage, I changed it. Using copy stage, I changed it to A1. Now the values are A1 and salary. Now here the link which is in the other one, A1 and name we have. Now I want to do the join, but when you look at the data, it is different. The data is different. 3 and 4 is there, 1 and 2 is there. But I want to do the join. How to do it? What other stage I can use to make the join? Can anyone? Whatever I have said so far, just think about that and answer it. I would be very happy if you would answer right stage. Guys, no one? Or are you thinking?
Can you please repeat, sir?
What I am saying is I have two different columns, A1 and B1. So I did a change from B1 to A1. So that's the stuff which I've done to make the column name same for the join. But the data in the columns are different. So 1, 2 is there in one of the column and 3, 4 is there in another column. But still I want to do the join.
Okay. I think you can join using filter, I guess.
Using filter. What filter?
You can join on right filter.
Boss, join, sir. Why, I mean, you should think, right? So I said 1, 2, 3, 4 are different values. You can join hundreds of joins you can do, but the thing is, will the data come as an output? Whatever join you do, will the data come as an output? Unless and until you do left outer join, you will get 1, 2. Unless and until you do right outer join, you will get 3, 4. But I need 1, 2, 3, 4, both. I mean all. Right? So if you do left outer join, then you will get 1, 2 because which is not matching from the left. If you do right outer join, then the 3, 4 will come because that is not matching from the right.
There was one more.
I want to do it.
There was one more join yesterday you mentioned.
Full outer join, right?
Yes.
Yes. So that full outer join will give you 1, 2, 3, 4. Because that is the combination of all these things. Right?
Yes.
So you can use full outer join to get the output. Now, without using full outer join, I want to use inner join only. I want to use inner join only. But the column which I am using A1 and A1 is not matching. Then what should I do? Should I need to have another column or what? So think.
Dummy.
We can use column generator stage and create a column. Right?
Yes.
And in that column we will create a dummy column 1, 1. And here also we create a dummy column 1, 1. And we can join on dummy. And the data is same, so you can join it doing inner join. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes.
Manjula?
Okay. Can you repeat again, Raj?
What I am saying is, as the columns are same, but the data is not same. So here we don't get the data when we do the inner join. Right?
Yes.
Because 1, 2, 3, 4, the data is different. Now what I am asking is, create a column with using column generator stage. And make it as a dummy. And give the value 1. The same thing here. Create a column generator stage, dummy, and give the value 1. Now, 2 1s here for the dummy and 2 ones here for the dummy. Now you can join on the dummy. Then you will get inner join. Is it simple?
Yeah.
Then, so just think. That's the reason I'm asking you. For each and every stage you need to think. Okay? So you need to think. Whatever the stage I can apply, all the stuff you need to think. Clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Clear.
I said only in one scenario where funnel and join can be the same. Okay. Sir, I want to see this particular example. How to join when you have different values in the fields. By using column generator stage, how can you join it and all the stuff, you practice it. See, otherwise, I cannot help you. I am telling you very clearly. If you don't practice, if you don't come up with the problems, I cannot help you. And I am telling you, I cannot sit and do each and every stuff. That you also are aware. It's not one way class. It should be both way. Now, when I am saying one scenario where funnel and join can be the same. Now, we have already answered that. Can we just recollect it? That's all. We have already answered.
When we're using the column generator in that,
Instead of using column, right? Absolutely, sir. Instead of using the column generator, we can use the funnel and join where the output would be the same. Because if you have a column A1 and the data is 1, 2, and if you have a column A2 and the data is 3 and 4, now for the funnel or for the join, you need to use copy and change the column A2 to A1. So this is the first thing which you will do. Now when you come to the funnel, the data would come as 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, but when you come to the join, now you use full outer join, then again you will get the data 1, 2, 3, 4. Asi sir, I hope you are understanding very clearly now. Yes or no?
yes,
So what is full outer join? Full outer join is the combination of inner join plus left outer join plus right outer join. Now inner join, no data. Left join, 1, 2, because the unmatched records from the left table. Right outer join,
3, 4.
right from the right, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is the data. Now this is the scenario where you will get the inner funnel and joins can be the same. Where the unmatched records are there, only the unmatched records. If for example, in this, if you have something like 3, 5 and here 5, then the funnel and join cannot be the same. Because in funnel, how many 5s will come?
2 5s.
Sir, in funnel, how many 5s will come?
2 5s will come.
And in join, how many 5s will come? Sir, join, how many 5s will come?
1.
2.
1 5 will come. Who is the 2?
Munawar.
Why, sir? Why 2 5s? There is only 1 5 in the A1
Yes.
and there is only 1 5 in the A2. So 1 5 will match with 1 5. So 1 5 will come, right?
Oh, okay.
Nasir, why didn't you answer? Nasir, is it clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
So what stopped you that, to say that answer 1-5? What were you thinking? Okay, if you don't want to say, then say nothing. Please don't keep, mum. I would be expecting something from you. Okay, so that's fine. So as long as you are understanding, I'm fine. Nasim sir,
Yes, sir.
I hope you might be feeling something different.
No, I'm on the same page, sir.
You are understanding, right?
Yes, sir.
So join will give me only 1-5, but funnel will give me 2-5s because funnel is a union all.
Yes.
Okay, so this is what I'm going to send you, which is very, very important. And I want this scenario also as a practice, and I want this scenario also as a practice. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, as we have seen, the join is giving me one, when I have the data like this, 3 ones here and 3 ones here, the join is giving me 9 ones. That means each one will come and match with these 3 ones, and each one will come and match with these 3 ones. So total it will give me 9 ones. Okay, that when we use join. Whatever the join you use. Yes or no? If I use left outer join, if I use right outer join, if I use inner join, if I use full outer join, whatever the join I use, will I get 9 ones only or not? Nasir. Nasir.
Only on full order join.
If I do inner join, how many ones will come?
9.
If I do left outer join, how many ones will come?
9.
If I do right outer join, how many lines will come?
9.
If I do full outer join, how many lines will come?
I think it will be 6.
Why? Sir, please don't forget everything. If you forget everything, then I cannot teach you at all. I'm saying you. Every time you are keep on forgetting. What is left outer join? Why did you say inner join is giving me 9 ones? Because each one will come and match with these 3 ones. So 3 into 3, 9 ones. That is why you have said inner join will give me 9 ones. Why did you say left outer join will give me 9 ones? Because left outer join is also the concept of inner join plus left join.
Right.
So in the inner join you have already got 9 ones. So that's the reason for the left outer join you said 9 ones. Because in the left join you don't have any unmatched record. Now when you come to the right outer join, again it is the same. Left inner join plus right join. So inner join you have already got 9 ones. So that's the reason you said 9 ones. Right join there is no right side unmatched record. Now what is full outer join, sir? I said combination of all these 3. Inner join plus right join plus left join.
This will be 9. Yes.
Then what's stopping you to think so much? I mean, it's very strange, People need to understand the joining concept itself we have been discussing for past 3 days. The simple joining concepts. And I'm sure that if I ask you the question tomorrow, you will be the same. Now you only think, if that is the case, where are we lagging? Or the teacher is not explaining you well, or the students are not practicing well?
It's our fault.
Sorry?
It's my fault. I didn't get
It's not your fault. It's the practice fault. You are understanding at the time of the teaching, right?
Yes.
But when you go out of the training, then done. You are forgetting everything. Before the class, when you are coming to the class itself, then your mind is working on the joints. after the class or before the class, your mind is not at all working on the concepts of the joins or nor on the data stage, nor on the SQL. Because you people are busy with your own stuff and you are not able to get the time. But if you do like that, then there is no point of having the classes, because every time when I teach, I will become background. So tomorrow when I do the join, I will be doing very fast because I need not to explain. Now at that moment, you should also be fast. You can't say, sir, I am not understanding the join. Now so far we are doing joins on a single column. Think, when we have multiple columns, how the join will perform, you need to understand. In your mind, the output should be present. Okay, so this is how the output will come, then I will be doing like that. And here we are just doing on a single column. So 3 columns, 4 columns you can use as a join. So A1, A2, A3, A4. So these are all I have. The same data which I have. How many records I will get it? And the joining keys are all 4. Asim,
Yes, sir.
how many values I will get with the join if I am using all 4 keys? I am using A1, A2, A3, A4 as the joining keys. So how many records I will get it? Asim,
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
Nasir,
9 records.
you will get 9 records. Confident? Or is just a fluke?
No, it's not a fluke. 9 records.
9 records?
In one key.
Pakka?
4 9s are 36.
No change in the answer?
1 second, sir. 9 keys. All the 4 are same. So 3 times 3 columns. Yes, sir, 9.
Now?
Oops. Okay, then the answer changes. We have to check on all the columns. So the first answer would be 36, sir.
Who is this?
No, we're checking. Master.
Who is that?
This is Master.
I want the name.
Master.
Nasir sir, please don't answer such types of things, okay? I will get a heart attack. Now when you said 9 once, I should have stopped there and then itself. I should not force you to answer whether it is a perfect or not. You said perfectly 9. Why did you say perfectly 9? Because all these 4 values are same to same. So these 4 values will come and join with these 3 times. So first one will come and check with these 3. So all 3 are same, so it will give return 3 times. The second, all 4 will come and check with this, then 3 times. Then again all these 4 will come and check, then 3 times. So 9 times. Now I have a change with the 1 column value, 2. Now tell me, how many times it will come?
Okay.
So 8 times, sir?
No, 6 times.
Just think, sir, just think.
6 times.
Very good. 6 times. Why? Because each record is giving me only 2 result sets. As there is a 2, it is not matching. If any one of the field is not matching, the entire record will not come, right? Because I am using all 4s as a join.
Right, now I get
All
that.
4 keys I am using as a join. If I use only the A1, then you need to check only the A1. So 3 ones, 3 ones, so all 3 will match 3 times, so 3 into 3, 9 records. If I tell you A3 and A4, then again A3 and A4 you can see all 3 records will match with all these 3, then 3 into 3, 9 records. But if you see A2, then these 3 records, each record will match only 2 times, so 3 records will match 2 times each, so 3 into 2, 6. Simple answer.
Now it's clear, sir. Now you can test us, inshallah.
Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, I mean, this is how in the real time we will be having, okay? So, many multiple columns we need to join. Okay, now.
You need the answer?
Now tell me. No, yes, I am expecting an
Okay.
answer.
Still gonna be 6.
Think.
Okay. 1 and 1 and 1 and 1. 4 records.
How many?
4 records.
4 records. How?
The first 4 ones will match the first 4 ones. Then the third 4 ones will match the third 4 ones. So that's 2 records. And then the third four ones will match the first 4 ones, and then the third 4 ones will match the third 4 ones. So 4 records.
Right. So the other one is not going to join, right?
Right.
Good. I hope everyone is understanding, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now?
Third and 2. 2 records.
Now?
1 record.
Sir, just think. Don't just go by these things. Just think. I mean, take some time. There is no chocolate giving competition, right? Just think.
Nasir is right. 2 records.
Sir, why I am saying just think? Is it just for the fun sake I am saying just think?
No, sir.
Then utilize you.
1 record.
How many records?
1.
How many records?
1 record.
4.
1 record.
4 records.
4 records. Nasir,
2 records.
why?
2 records.
Because the
First
first record for the first file and the second record for the second file. I mean the first record for the third record for the first file and the first record for the second file.
What is that? I am not getting you.
So what? 1151 will match the second record 1151, and
In
the
the second file of the third record, right?
third record, yeah, it will match.
Yeah.
And the
Two records.
The third record of the first file will match with the first record of the second file.
Yes.
Only two records. Absolutely good.
That's exactly what I said.
That's why I am confusing you. You are not confident enough. You are not confident enough. If you are confident enough, then even though I ask you 100 times yes or no, then you should say yes. See, when I said, as I am saying, for fun's sake, then you people thought, rethinking. Munawar said 4. Some other person said 3.
See, that's what happens. We get confused when we are getting different answers. Then we start questioning ourselves if we said the right thing.
Because your confidence level is less.
yes, that's true.
It's because of that only. It's not because of you don't know the concept. Your confidence level is less. So when we are having the less level of confidence, then we'll think multiple answers. If you are strong and confident, then you will be stick with your answer only. Because if the concept is right and your thinking is right, stick to that only. But the basics should be the right. So you said, absolutely good. The first record is going to match only with the third record. So one record as an output. And the third record is going to match only the first record. So only one with an output. Now tell me. Munawar.
I think same two.
Same two?
Yes.
Everyone agree?
Yes.
It's two records.
Now?
Still the same answer, 2.
2.
Still the same answer 2.
Yes.
Record will come. So the first record will match the second record of the second table.
Who is that?
The same.
How, sir? How the first record is going to match with the second record of the second file?
It's 2151, 1251.
Sir, please. I'll pray. Sir, it is a column by column. It is not something that 2151
Only one record will match.
and here 2151. So we have got the match. Sir, that is not the way it will think. Please don't say it anywhere. I mean, it is a kid level thinking. So 2151 is there, here also 2151 is there. It's a matching. Sir, column by column it will match. Here 2, here 1. No match. That's all done. This record will not at all come. Only 4 ones and 4 ones. All the values should be the same pinpoint. Then only you will get a record as an output. Only one record. Please. You are all matured enough. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thanks for clearing up, because that's how I was thinking. I'm pretty sure you understand that. So you cleared my confusion about that.
Okay, no problem. Now, how many records?
One
Guys, it's
record.
very simple, okay? I'm just telling you, it's very simple. Take the first record and check with these 3 records. Is there any match? No. Take the second record, check with these 3. Any match? No. Take the third record and check with these 3. Any record? Yes, one record. Then answer, one record answer. Pretty simple, nothing to worry about it. If you have got multiple records, so 2151, So here also 2151 is there, 2151 is there. So 2 records. Keep it in mind, 2 records are already got. Now the second output, if you have a 2 records output, then the 4 records. Then the third record, if you have a 2 records output, then the 6 records. That's all. You need to sum up, that's all. Whenever you are getting a match for the first record, take it as a, put it in the variable, then the second record to count, add it up, just piling it up, that's all. If nothing comes, then only 1. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Now, sir, now,
Oh, sorry.
No record, sir.
no records.
You're right. Yeah. Nothing is mentioned.
Good. So you are clear with the joints now? Sir, you are clear with the joints or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes? So the similar fashion, in the similar fashion, the same way, lookup and merge will work. Whatever we have discussed so far, okay? In a similar fashion, lookup and merge will work. Okay? Now, only one difference in the lookup, only one small correction in the lookup. Now we will see that, but I am just giving you on a theory basis. Only one small correction in the lookup. The small correction is, one file is having like this, another file is having like this. How many outputs you will get? Quick.
1.
Nasir.
6.
One file is having like this. I am joining on all the 4 fields.
2.
Nasim.
2.
Yes, 2.
What?
2 5. 2 records will come.
Okay, I am asking to Nasim.
2 records, sir.
Nasir?
2.
2, right? Then why are you just confusing yourself, guys? 6, 4 and all those stuff. So 2, right? Because this one has got a match in both these records, so you have got 2. This is output of join and merge. But when you come to the lookup says whenever it match, that's all. Throw the output. So this one has got a match, that's all. It will not go and check for the other matches. Even though you have 100 million records, if you got a first match, then that's all. It will come out. It will not go and check for the other values. You understand what I'm trying to say?
So for lookup, we will get 1 record.
For the lookup, you will get 1 record. For example, let's see 1, 2, 3, 4. One file is having like this: 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 1, 2. Like this I have. Okay? Now in case of the join, how many 1s, how many 2s, how many 3s, how many 4s? Quick.
3 1s.
1.
Now 2 for the Nasim. Nasim will tell for 2.
4.
Hmm?
4.
Anyone want to contradict?
3.
No.
Now you talk to Nasir and get the answer by 3. Okay? I am not going to explain. Now 3. How many 3s?
3.
Who is this?
Sharif, sir.
Sharif 3. Anyone want to contradict?
No.
No one? How many 4s?
1.
Anyone want to change?
No.
No.
So these are the values. So Nasim sir, why did you say 2 4s? Is it something like 2 here 1,
No.
here 3 2s, so 3 plus 1 4?
That's what I did actually.
Sir, how can you think like that, sir? I am telling you from past half an hour or 45 minutes the same thing, right? Still you are thinking the same way what you want to think? Then I can't help you, sir. I'm sorry. If you want to think the way you want to think, then I cannot help you. If you want to change, then only I can help you. Now come, what is the lookup? How many 1s, how many 2s, how many 3s and how many 4s?
1 each.
Absolutely good. Lookup will never ever think about the duplicates. Lookup will say, boss, the first one has come and matched with this one, then that's all. It will throw an output. It will ignore how many 1s are there down. It doesn't care. 2, first match it has got, then that's all. It throws the output. It doesn't care how many 2s are there in the below. So 1 each. If there is no match, then there is no match. So if the 4 is not there, then the 4 is not there. That's all. So 4 will not come as an output. Obviously, right? If you do the join also, the 4 will not come as an output. Right or wrong?
Yes.
Because if there is no match, no match. We can't help it out. But if there is a match, and if you are having a multiple matches, join will give you the duplicates, but lookup will not give you the duplicates. And we will discuss more on the lookup and merge. Okay? And we can see the outputs and everything tomorrow. Okay? Tomorrow we'll see about
Right.
lookup and merge.
If you kindly just explain a little bit about that, my answer was wrong. I know about it. Just give me one more time, so
That's all. Yeah. So now you can say how many 2s you will get it. How many 2s you will get it from these two files?
Okay. It's 3. It'll be 3. Yes.
Right? Because this 1, 2 will come and
Yeah,
it will
and-
check how many times it has a match. 3 times. That's all. 3 times.
Okay, I got it. Okay.
Okay? I'm going to send this file. See you tomorrow.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.